Oh, I am so excited for today's video. I hope you guys are ready to organize because I have 7 organizing ideas and storage hacks that you need to be doing. Now, as you may know, Sawyer and I are currently moving to Florida and are in between homes. So a few of these hacks will take place at our old house in Hawaii, as well as we will be helping my mom with a few organizing solutions here in her home as well. So I'm excited to share with you guys what I came up with, and I hope this video helps and inspires you to tackle those problem areas in your home as well. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, as if I didn't love organizing already, in today's video we are going to be taking our organizing abilities to the next level. I'm talking full customization here, and I literally cannot tell you how excited I am to share with you that I am teaming up with Cricut on today's video to share with you the Cricut Explore 3, and I can't wait to use it today as well as in our new home in Florida. I am just going to tell you now that literally everything in our new home will have a custom label, and I'm pretty excited about it. Like, I literally cannot wait to organize our new home. And to be honest, this smart cutting machine is an organizer's dream. The options are endless with the Cricut Explore 3. I guess I should tell you guys what this smart cutting machine is. For those of you that don't know, Cricut is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create personalized projects with hundreds of materials. I'm talking everything from like vinyl to create labels on canisters or water bottles, cardstock, wood veneer, and even leather. So a lot of options to work with and experiment with. So I'm very excited about that. Now, it does work with a program called Design Space, which actually comes free with your machine. Now, this is actually where you can create your project and you can browse from hundreds of images, fonts, and they actually even have templates, which makes it really, really easy, especially when you're getting started. And the best part is it walks you step by step and really does make it an easy process. And I'm telling you, the pre-done templates are my favorite part. I just go in there, find what I'm looking for, and just adjust it to my needs. So once you're done with your design, Design Space will send it to your machine to cut, and it's really that simple. So get excited, because I'm excited to share with you guys how I utilize the Cricut Explore 3 in today's video, as well as all the future projects that I'm going to be using this for in Florida. Like, I literally cannot wait. And Cricut is the best. They are giving you guys 10% off all machines and bundles. I will have the code and link down below for you, but I'm still just so excited about this. So yeah, let's go ahead and start cutting and organizing. So the first organizing idea that I'm going to share with you is how I organize underneath the sink. There definitely needs to be a new system in place. As you can see, I do have a cleaning bin on the left, products I use most frequently in the middle. I have a bin of tools as well as some dishwasher pods. Now, I definitely want to make this more functional, so I'm going to add some clear drawers as well as clean out the products that I'm currently not using. And this will definitely be a system that I implement into our new house in Florida, as I just find clear containers and drawers so satisfying as well as very, very functional, and everyone can find where things are. So in the first drawer, I put all of my sanitizing pods that I use to deep clean the dishwasher. The second drawer contained all of my dishwasher pods. The third drawer contained all of my backstock of sponges, and in the last drawer, I have my magic erasers, and then I just put my cleaning gloves on top. It's so crazy to me how much better this area functions by just adding those clear drawers. Plus, it'll be so much easier for anyone to find what they're looking for. I am very happy with how this turned out. So real quick, look at this before and after. I'm so excited to share with you guys this next storage idea. My mom has this problem area in her spice cabinet. It's very hard to find anything. You really do have to search really hard for what you're looking for. And as you can see on the left-hand side, she did add some door storage, which does help, but we came up with a really cute idea using the metal part of her microwave. She actually ordered this magnetic shelf, which we are going to use as a display shelf for her spices. So I went ahead and ordered these glass jars from Amazon, and we are going to use the smart permanent vinyl along with our Cricut Explore 3 to create custom labels for these spice jars for this rack. So I went ahead and opened up the Cricut Design Space, found a template that I really liked, then I went ahead and just customized it to the spices that we were going to use on that shelf. And at this point, you can change the font, the size of it, and yeah, really just customize it exactly how you would like. So once I was satisfied with my design, I went ahead and sent the design to my machine, and it was ready to cut. Honestly, it is so satisfying to watch this process and see the results. Then I cut everything down and got it ready to be transferred onto the actual spice bottles. So this is an organizing idea that I've been wanting to do for so long, and I cannot wait to get to Florida and do this for every one of my spices in our new home, and it will look so good. Now it's time to transfer all the spices into the jars. Then it was time to decorate, and this is the fun part because you get to see all of your hard work come together. This area turned out so cute. I love the little plants my mom added up there, and this will definitely come in handy having all of our most used spices all on that rack. This really is a cute idea, and I love adding the custom labels to those jars. It just adds that little extra touch. Oh, I cannot wait to show you guys this next organizing solution because I know I'm not the only one that struggles with this problem. So this is my mug cabinet, and it is always a mess. We store water bottles, there's lids everywhere, and I finally found a solution. So I ordered this cupboard storage, which will basically add a drawer to this shelf, and it just sticks with a 3M sticker. So I'm going to take everything out, organize it, and finally fix my loose lid problem. And I knew this would be a great idea, but I had no idea how well this would work. It looks so much better, it functions so much better, and I highly recommend adding this to a problem area in your home as well. So this next storage idea is too good, so I have to quickly show you guys the before and the after. So for this next storage hack idea, I'm going to show you guys how we elevate our outdoor laundry room area by taking our canisters and adding custom labels to them, as well as cleaning up this space and making it a little more functional. So my mom and I went back into design space to find another template that would be really cute for the custom laundry labels, and we found the most perfect font that's going to really elevate the space and look great on those glass canisters. So this part was really fun. My mom and I got to work together, and I got to teach her how I use the Cricut and how to actually use the transfer tape and everything. So a little bonding experience, as well as it made it go by twice as fast, and she loved it. Once the labels were ready, we went ahead and cleaned off the canisters and started applying the Smart Vinyl. I can't even tell you how good these look and how much more professional and put together this area is already looking just by putting on custom labels. Now my mom already did a lot of the hard work by already having the glass containers, so a little tip, go ahead and get rid of the boxes and add a glass container. It definitely elevates your space. Then I just played around once it was already clean and just kind of decorated her outdoor laundry room. So if you've been following me for some time, you know that I have struggled to find an organizing solution for underneath Sawyer's sink. It's just been a mess and it's just not very functional. So I'm going to fix that today by adding this plastic Lazy Susan, and I have a feeling this is definitely going to help this area. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of his most frequently used products in the Lazy Susan, so that way he can just rotate it and pull out what he needs, and then use these drawers for a more functional purpose like hairbrushes and hair tools. And already the space is starting to feel more usable and way more functional. I have a feeling Sawyer will really like how this turned out. So this next organizing idea is something that if you aren't already doing, you need to be doing. A messy fridge is not okay. So today we're going to be adding clear containers to my mom's fridge, because this is not functioning very well. Plus there's 6 of us at our house right now, so we need to make it a little more functional and easy for everyone to find what's in this fridge. So I'm going to start by just filling up the clear bins with like sauces and jams and whatever else she has in here, so that way we can just pull out the condiments and find what we are looking for. Now at my next house in Florida, I will take more time to actually add a ton of clear bins and properly custom label them, which I'm obviously you guys know I'm excited about, but for now I'm going to help my mom out just with these few clear containers. Look how much of a difference it's already made just by cleaning out the fridge and adding easy storage. Now this last storage idea is one of my absolute favorites. I've been using this can pantry organizer for all my beauty products in my front closet to make more room, but the problem was I didn't have labels, so it made it really hard to find what I was looking for. So I found these really cute removable labels that you can just pop on these little wire racks, and you can just write on them with a chalk pen. So these signs would be perfect not only for this rack but also little bins. These are just great to pop on and off, so I'm really impressed with these, and it'll make life easier just when I need a quick label that's easily removable. So definitely remember this storage hack idea of this pantry can organizer. This comes in handy on any door, as well as these tags to have on hand. Well loves, there you have it. Those are my 7 organizing ideas and storage hacks that you need to be doing. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it did help and inspire you to tackle those trouble areas in your home. And also do not forget to take advantage of that Cricut code. I will have the link and the code down below for your convenience, and that code will give you 10% off of a machine and material bundles. So definitely take advantage of that, because I have been thoroughly enjoying my machine and I cannot wait to take it to Florida and just like organize every nook and cranny and have a custom label on everything. It's gonna be great. So that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.